Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're going to have an unbagging and unboxing. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. The first thing I want to show you, this is going to be a stitching and a diamond painting thing. The first thing that I got from TJB Designs in Oak Island, North Carolina. And I got a needle minder. And it's really pretty. I'll take it out of the plastic because that's probably not working for anybody, right? Can't see it. Comes with 2 magnets. I don't want to get it too close to my phone. God knows my phone will go crazy. But there you go. Isn't that pretty? Just thought it was awesome. Oh, if I can hold it still long enough. My arms are so tired today. Well, I'll back it up a little bit. Maybe it'll help it. But it's iridescent. I just thought it was beautiful. Comes with 2 magnets here. I think one probably goes on one side, one goes on the other. Okay, and we paid $7 for it. Where is it? I wrote everything on one piece of paper. It took 5 days to get here. I ordered it on the 18th, and I got it yesterday, so it took like 4 or 5 days. So the shipping wasn't bad. Okay, and the next thing that I got from Showvigor, SHOWVIGOR. It's all one word, and I paid $10.99 for it, and it said 2. So I have 2 of them, but they did not charge me $10.99 twice. Okay, and it is a diamond painting, and it comes with a little card, and they sent me a 10%, is it 10%? 20% off of my next purchase from them, which I thought was pretty cool. And they're on Amazon, and it says it came with a boat with no cutout, and some bags, quite a few bags, and a pink pen, and a little bitty thing of wax. Came in this beautiful plastic bag, as you can see. This is how the other one is all done. Put it back and get rid of it. Put it over there. That's the bag this came out of. It has 18 colors, and it's panda bears. I hope you can see it. Let me see if I can turn it the right way. There they are. Aren't they just precious? I just love them. Okay, it says at the top of this that it is a 30 by 30, and it does measure, the canvas measures 30 by 30, but in the description on Amazon it said 14 by 14, and it measures 11, a little over 11 and a half one way, and it has a sparkly canvas too. It has the key at, I'm trying to figure out where you're at, down at one end, and then up here on the top. And my lighting is terrible today. I'm so sorry. But the key's pretty clear. It's just small, but it is a small diamond painting. It has sparkly canvas, but it is not on tarpaulin. You know, I mean, the back is still rough on the back. But I will show you if I can. Oh my goodness, it is so much my day to make a video. If I can show you. It has a real clear drill field. It is a round. And it's done in greens and blacks and grays. Sorry about the dog. She's driving me insane. I put her outside. That didn't help. But I just thought it was cool. And there was just a little something here on the canvas, and it doesn't seem to deter from where you mark it. You know, I mean, you can still tell what the symbol is. It was like in between the line. But I just thought they were just cute. They're just so precious and small, and I don't know what I'm going to do with 2 of them. I may give them to my granddaughters to mess around with, because they're going to start diamond painting. I did get my oldest granddaughter a diamond painting for her birthday, so everybody be quiet. You're not supposed to know that. And I can't tell you what it is of because it'll give it away in case they're watching. They do watch my videos every once in a while. Okay, and the colors. Oh, of course I got it on that mode. Sorry guys, I was trying to get you closer, but that isn't going to happen. But when I did this before, you couldn't even tell what the colors were. But they're really pretty. Okay, let me bring you down this way a little bit. Criminally. It's not my day. It really isn't. It has not been my day all day. Hopefully the thing won't fall over, but it's got some tans and whites. And brown, and a peach, and green, another tan, and this is kind of a khaki green. What color is that? This is 939. All the numbers and the DMC, the number that's on the key and the number for DMC is on the bag, which I like. And by the way, the key is in order. So I like that part too. And we have 310. We love our 310. And then 2 shades of green and tan and a light khaki green. Assuming that's for the bamboo things. Oh, that's 823. I thought it was more 939. I was like, no more. Oh, sorry. And yeah. So those are kind of pretty colors. Okay, let me get this out of the way. And put this over here, out of my way. And the next thing I got was from the Joy Sunday store. Let me save my bag. Trying not to crinkle. Okay, the Joy Sunday store, I paid $13.68, and it was supposed to be 59 by 46 centimeters, and it was supposed to be 11 count with 40 colors. And I bought it on the 18th, and it took 6 days to get here. That's not the problem. And this one comes with 46 colors, but I'm gonna do it. I just saying that buyer beware. For some reason, it didn't give me the 11 count. And those measurements that I just said, what the heck was it? 59 by 46 centimeters is for the 11 count, because this says it's 14 count and it's 46 by 36 centimeters. And it is a picture, and they are called bullfinches. Isn't that pretty? Try to get as close as I can. Hopefully the colors you can see. I'll show you on the actual thing. Now, oh yeah, I'm looking all over for this. Another weird thing. It's been a weird unboxing bagging. I'm sorry guys, but hang in there. It came with beads. Okay? Go figure. And they're pretty heavy, so they must be glass beads. And they're kind of iridescent. I don't know if you can tell. I hate to take them out of the bag. You know, me and my luck. It also comes with a bead. I don't know if I can hold them. Crud. If that's, no, that's so not going to work. But they're kind of iridescent looking. Let's see if I can get them back in here. No, we're not going for that. No, Laura doesn't have luck like that. I'm going to put them in there. And put them back in the bag. Okay, so it came with that. And had some really beautiful colors. Like teals and like bittersweet oranges. Just beautiful colors. And browns and golds. Now I'm thinking maybe it doesn't. I'm trying to look. I'm thinking maybe the snow is accented somehow. But it doesn't say anything. Okay, so there's nothing on the back of this side. Nothing at all. You have the beads. You have the instructions that are forward and backward, which it tells you how to care for the the fabric and how to do it and how to read the key, and it tells you about the floss, and it's pretty much the same, and how to stitch. Not like we don't know how to stitch. I'm telling you, they think we're stupid, I swear. Okay, so let me see if I can get this up here. I'll try to hold it as still as possible, guys. But I just thought it was beautiful. I just love all the colors, and that teal and that orange. But you sure cannot see where those beads go. I haven't got a clue. It is 210 wide by 158 high, and says 6729 Bullfinch. And there's another number that says D734. And did I finish showing you the colors? I'm sorry, I'm a little scattered today. There's kind of a dark blue and some greens and some more oranges and some light teal, or turquoise I should say. Let me flip it around. Yeah, we'll cut these puppies in half. There's not too many colors, and there's not excuse me guys, there's not a whole lot of them. There's a couple, you know, that have a lot of colors, but I think I could wrap them if I wanted to, you know. And it comes with the 2 needles, of course, and it does say 14 count. So, you know, I mean, it's a keeper as far as I'm concerned. I'm not sending it back. I refuse to send anything back to Amazon unless it's totally messed up. And so far we haven't had any problems. But as you can see, the canvas isn't very big. And it does have the key that runs along the bottom. Everything looks pretty clear, except where to put those. And you know what's funny? This is just weird. Just weird. Okay, it says it has 40 colors here. I may have to contact them because, oh no, I'm so sorry. There was only 40 colors. I thought, well, it said it was 46. I was looking all the way down here, but the colors do only go to 40. So we're okay there. And it says French knots, full stitch, and full stitch. So there's no half stitching in this. And I don't think you can see. I'm going to come this way so you can kind of see part of it. You can see the 2 birds here, but you can't tell what anything else is. It's a little confettied, I would say, in these parts like this. There's some down here. It must be where the snow is going to be. You know, like on the whatever kind of tree it is. I have no idea. But I just thought it was pretty, so we'll play with it and see where it goes. But now, the next thing that I want to show you, I got this yesterday. I messed with it for 3 hours to no avail. Well, let me put that kit over there with that. And we're going to put this right under here so I can't find it again. I pulled up everything off my desk. Okay, so what I got from Cellulars, and that's CELLULARS, like in cellular phones. Cellulars and more from Amazon. I paid $20 and $9.24 shipping. I purchased this on the 18th and I got it on the 23rd, so it took 5 days to get here. Now, here comes the fun part. Are you ready? Yeah. Hang on, guys. I will show you. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I got my stand from Amazon, and it, like I said, 3 hours to put this all together. And sorry, I had let the dog in so she wouldn't go off on a barking spree again. And yeah, so I put the scroll thing, let me back this up just a bit, in there, and I had it tight, but it won't stay. I mean, I realize you have to tighten that all up, but for intents of showing you this, let's say it was all tight, and it was tight as a drum in there. It still does this. So, it said that I was supposed to put rubber bands, and it looked like it was here, and here, you know. But this part is not deep enough when I had the peacock on there to put it all in there to hold it down, and it still will not hold in place. So I don't get it. I could somebody like tell me what I'm doing wrong? I cannot get this tight on this scroll. Where is it? On this scroll, I can't get it tight enough so that it doesn't want to slip. And this is tight on all four. It has knobs. Let me show you. It has knobs on both ends. And it will not go in there tight. So, and hold this. Am I doing something wrong? But if anybody's got any answers to these questions, see, this still moves up and down. So I don't know if my adhesive here is not tight enough to, you know, hold this in place, but it just keeps unrolling. It was tight when I put it here, and then I had to take it off, of course, so now it's loose again. But I don't know if this thing was not made for something this heavy. And this weighs, God, at least 5 pounds? Maybe, no, maybe 3 or 4 pounds, somewhere in there, this whole thing. But with the Peacock, I mean, it was way heavier. And I just wanted to get it out of my lap. So, I don't know. If anybody's got any suggestions or comment, please comment below and let me know what I'm doing wrong. I cannot figure out how to get this to work. So, that is my dilemma. It went together, and I finally got it all together. You should be real proud of me, because I don't put things together, and yeah. So, I'm at a loss. So, I don't know if this thing was meant for, you know, like you couldn't even put a quilt on this. There is no way in heck you could put a quilt and have it hold it. You know, and I don't get it. You know, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But if y'all got any answers to my questions, it'd be greatly, greatly appreciated. I'm open for anything that anybody can tell me what the heck. So, thanks guys for watching and bearing with me and all the different camera angles and everything. But I need some answers. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a great evening and a great weekend. God bless. Bye-bye.